but you know what? I hate this helmet compared to the other one.
Wow, things get really unsteady at 60 mile an hour.
At 50.
Yeah.
Mine's not too bad at the minute.
Getting used to it now as well, aren't you? So.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel, team. Fun day today. We're off to SWEETLAMB Adventure Bike Academy. Kimmy's first time, isn't it, Kim?
Nice.
Looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Good. On the little Huskies today. Left the big 690s at home. We're just on the little girls, so should be fun and interesting. Weather's looking very Welsh. But I'm sure we'll have a great day anyway. We're just on the way to the fuel station because I'm on fumes before we start the day in SWEETLAMB. See you in a bit. Told you Kim was in for a treat. We have the legend himself, Mr. Molyneux. We've got Mark today, the legend, doing the instruction, and it's just started raining. It wasn't raining this morning, which is unusual for Wales. So this morning we've run through bikes out with Kim. We've just adjusted the brakes. We've adjusted the handlebars so it fits her a bit better. She's listening to Mark, which is good. She's improving, which is good to see. Both absolutely loving it. I think Kim's going to be absolutely knackered tonight though. So tomorrow's trail ride may only be a shortened version, but we'll see how we get on. She'll pick up a few more tricks and skills, and she's getting the body positioning right, and I've adjusted my rear brake as well, and I can actually use it now sat down, so, which is a good thing. Right folks, I'm going to switch you off and we'll catch up with you later. Oh look, sheep. Okay, so after lunch Mark took us up and run us around this loop that you can see. It was more for uphill and downhill techniques. Put us through a few drills, showed us what to do. It was a really good loop to be fair, because it gave Kim a real sense of the bike wasn't going to bite her if she twisted the throttle on a little bit more going uphill, and she was doing really good at it. So yeah, this was a really fun part of the day. Speedy Gonzales! After several laps around the course, Molly was happy with Kim's progress. Uphills, downhills, cornering, getting miles more confident. What a place this is. Having fun? Having fun? This next bit was awesome. Molly's approach to this one was pretty much the same as before. I'll give you one lap, you can follow me, and then I'm going to leave you in dust. Off. Got to remember, Molly's coming up to 70 years old. Look at him, he's still going like a kid. At this point I'm thinking, he's trying to lap us. Yeah, he's definitely pushing. He wants to lap us. He might get Kim, but he ain't getting me. Whew. That was fun. I don't know, but I think it went a bit sideways, a bit more than I wanted a few times.
Brilliant. You have done, I can't tell you, fucking brilliant.
There's a fucking pond.
Yeah.
I come along the street, I look at the pond and go, oh!
Now look at the pond.
No, look where you want to go.
And look where you want to go. You've done great.
That's how I've not had a bike run around so much, like I've not,
No, come.
but I'm a bit happy with the fucking bike brake on this sometimes, it's all a fucking...
We're learning, aren't we?
Yeah.
You can only do this incrementally.
I just scream on the helmet and it all goes right.
That's it, yeah. So,
I was like, fuck it up! I've always been frightened of speed, I think, because I've had so many accidents that have had me
that's
in
because you
hospital.
have no skill.
Yes.
Now, it's a different ball game. Now you've got skill. And all you need to do is build that skill.
I think Kim's now, she's now getting the understanding of, well, I raved about it when I got home last time, you know, it was Kim, oh, you want to do this, you want to try this, you want to do that. And it really does work. And Mark and the team here at SWEETLAMB really do train very, very well. The fundamentals they teach is, sounds basic, but it's not, and it is good. It works. That's us done. SWEETLAMB Adventure. What an awesome place. Had fun, Kim?
Yeah.
Haha! Told you would, didn't I?
It was really good.
And you've learnt some stuff.
Loads.
Loads. So what was your best bit, Kim? What was your favourite bit?
All of it.
All of it, right, okay. But if you had to pick a specific bit, the uphill road, the downhill, the cornering,
The loop bit that we did.
yeah. Well, the one where we were going uphill.
Yeah, where
Yeah.
he said to do the light.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
The one with the big jump.
Yeah.
I had fun on that jump every time. No, it's been a really good day. Really enjoyed it again. And we had the privilege of being instructed by the man himself, Mr. Molyneux, today.
The front end started singing.
Yeah, I know, mine's doing it as well. Alright, can you not tell with my voice? Back to the van for pizza and beer now, Kim.
Oh yeah, no, I don't see it.
I think we deserve it after today, Kim.
I think that.
Elbows. Elbows, Kim. No, up.
Oh, around the corner, past the corner. See, I can do it.
Yep, that's the one. Yeah, it is. Right on the corner is the turning. Oh, I did.
No, you didn't.
I did, and so will all our YouTube fans as well. Spent the day riding around an adventure school, and then you hit the van.
It was tired.
What, the van or you? Peanut. Had fun?
They're too close, I don't know what you're saying.
Had fun?
Yeah.
Good. You've done really well. Really well.
Why does this feel illegal?
Well, yeah.
Ow.
That's it. Keep it going. Going. Holy sh... Fuck me, that were deep.